Welcome to LA Waste Solutions, your premier provider for reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Erath, Louisiana. We are dedicated to offering top-quality waste management services for both residential and commercial needs. Whether you are embarking on a home renovation, managing a large-scale construction project, or handling a significant cleanout, LA Waste Solutions has the perfect dumpster to meet your requirements. Our comprehensive range of dumpster sizes ensures you have the right equipment to efficiently handle any volume of waste. We take pride in providing timely and reliable services at LA Waste Solutions. We understand that adhering to your project timeline is crucial. Our efficient logistics ensure that your dumpster arrives on schedule and is promptly picked up once your project is complete, allowing you to stay focused on your work without unnecessary interruptions. We also ensure that all waste is disposed of in compliance with local regulations, contributing to a cleaner and greener community. Booking your dumpster rental has always been challenging. Visit our website at www.lawastesolutions.com dumpster rental Erath LA, or call us at 337-888-4951 to view available dumpster options, request a quote, and schedule a delivery. LA Waste Solutions, your trusted partner for efficient and affordable dumpster rental in Erath, Louisiana.